Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com on a Monday, June 5th, 2017. Traders, great to be with you. Coming to us from sunny skies, Thailand, hanging out here in Pattaya. Absolutely gorgeous day today. Nice cool breeze this morning. Currently it's 8:50 a.m. in the morning and we have a lot to talk about today. Basically, I've changed my platform. Not the platform, but the charts. We've added some stuff. We took off some stuff. And the reason I did that was we have issues with the way the markets are trading. I love the 1 hour chart. I think trading the 1 hour chart's great. You only got to go to your charts once an hour. However, due to the, I don't know, we do have volatility, but we're coming into the summer and it's going to make a hit down. So my thought process on that is we need to go to a 30-minute chart. We need to see if we can get into our entries a little bit earlier than we do on a 1 hour chart. So I moved down to a 30-minute chart. And then we'll talk about the charts in just a minute. Let's get over to the other screen and let's see what's happening on a Monday, as we do have some people on holiday today that will probably affect your London trading. All right, so Switzerland is off today. And New Zealand is off today for the Queen's birthday. Happy birthday to the Queen. And Germany is off today, which will affect our DAX trading. So there'll be no DAX markets open, I would think. But they're closed today, so I would think we're not going to see any DAX trading today. All right, so what's going on for the rest of our day? We have the Aussie has company gross operating profits. This morning came in at 6.0 versus 4.5. Nice number there. As we go back into our day, I don't see anything really spectacular as far as data goes, but that's normal, especially after an NFP, and then especially it's a Monday. So we do have some stuff though. We have German composite, German services PMI. The Euro's got market composite PMI. Great British Pound has services PMI for May. Oh, it's PMI day. And once we get into the U.S. session, we have, wow, not much, huh? Unit labor costs come out in the U.S. session today. Services PMI for May. Factory orders today out of the U.S. U.S. has a pretty good calendar. And then we have ISM non-manufacturing employment. We have ISM non-manufacturing PMI for May. That's a high impact news event. Tomorrow in Asia, be alert to this. We have the Aussie has RBA rate statement tomorrow, and we'll keep an eye on that. And of course, their interest rate decision, of course. And we have the Aussie has current account, and New Zealand has ANZ commodity price index. First thing in Asia tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye on those things. Now, let's get to the charts. I've stripped my charts, and let me show you the new artwork. All right, so here's what we did. Like I said, due to the market and the way the market's trading, I had to lower the time frame from a 1 hour chart that I've used for a very long time, and we've come down to a 30-minute chart. So, I also am a very big proponent of harmonics. And I was doing some things last week to find a harmonics indicator for NinjaTrader, and I did find one, and it's really funny with NinjaTrader compared to MT4. MT4, you can go on the internet and you can find a harmonics add-on, right? A harmonics indicator on your MT4, and it doesn't cost you nothing. Have NinjaTrader, you've got to pay for the indicator. So you can either do the monthly thing, you can do a half-year thing, or you can buy it outright for this indicator. And if you are a NinjaTrader user and you're interested, it's at harmonictrading.com, and that is from Scott Carney. I actually spoke to him several days ago. Very nice gentleman. He's basically the harmonic guru, right? And he has worked with me to get this up and running. Again, my compliments to him and thanks for his patience to get this moving. and we got it done. So we have harmonics on the chart. It's not going to change a lot of things that we do, but if a pattern comes up, we're going to pay attention to it, right? You can see on the left side of the chart, you can see we have the D wave down here, the D leg, right? And you want to start to trade in the opposite direction. Well, this D worked, right? Came down a little bit, but basically worked and came all the way back up. And if you're still in this trade, you really did well. Wait, let's take a look at that for a second here. Right, so you want to take your, this is a butterfly, so you want to take first profit at the B, and then of course your next profit's at the C leg, which, so you probably are out of this unless you waited for it to come back up to A, which it did. It passed the A, so that's a really nice trade, and that worked on that butterfly on this. What are we doing today with this euro? Well, the euro is, you know, we're bearish on this, right? We want to take this to the downside. So I'm not calling a top here, folks. I am not calling a top here. Remember, this is a dollar move. This is not a euro move. This is done by the dollar. The dollar is at 96, right? The dollar's down to 96. 96.73. So the dollar is weak. The euro is average, but it's definitely not strong. And this move just reads dollar all over it. So there's a good chance this is just going to continue to the upside. It's a very good chance, unless the dollar gets a kick in the butt today, it's going to stay this way. So what I did was I put a trend line here, and we're looking for a break of the trend line, and it just broke at the beginning, top of the hour. Yes, so we're going to get, I'm sorry, break of the half hour. Got to remember on a 30-minute chart. So we're going to get another candle here in about 3 minutes. And we're looking to take this to the downside. Stop at 1290, entry at 1264. We're going to get some motion here at the 200 exponential moving average, which is a green line. We're going to expect that, but we should be break even, right? Because we're going to be at 1222. We're going to be 40 pips in profit, 38 pips in profit. We're going to be to break even plus 5 pips, right? If it comes back and knocks us out, that's fine. We're not going to lose nothing. But I want to take this farther down. I looked at this, and I looked over here, and I looked at this D, and I looked at this price action. I said, why don't we take profit there? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to wait to take profit at 1.1140. Again, this is a dollar move. If the dollar doesn't get a kick in the tail today, this, my friends, is just going to continue to go to the upside. And it's very possible it will do that. So we'll just keep an eye on it. I'll get into the harmonic strength index indicator on the bottom here and what this means so you understand what it is. And also, you can see where I have patterns scanned here. I don't have the ABCD pattern on. We do have the Gartley, the bat, the butterfly, and the crab. All those are on. And the ABCD patterns are off. The reason for that is because it will really clog up my charts. And you all know I don't like a cluttered chart. I like a clean chart, right? I want to be able to see price action. That's the key in anything, price action. So that's what's going on, my friends. Really great to be back on a Monday. Really happy to be back at my desk. It was a horrible, horrible Friday. Came in, put on my iMac, and I get a black screen. I have no idea what happened. Anyhow, it didn't get fixed till Sunday night, which is about 12 hours ago, before we were back up and running. We're up and running. Thank goodness I did not lose any data, didn't lose any charts, didn't lose any programs, so we're back up and running. That's what's going on Monday, my friends. Have a great trading day, and you know what? Let's go over and just take a look at the let's take a look at these indices here. S&P 500 up 0.20%, NASDAQ up 0.96%, Dow up 0.29%, S&P 500 VIX down 1.42%, DAX up 1.25%. Nikkei 225 is flat across the board, zeros across. Dollar index, like I said, is up 0.13% at 96.74, with the euro index at negative 0.05%. Again, this is about the dollar on the euro, okay? Oh, sorry about that. Let's, really quick, let's just take a look at oil. I'm really concerned about WTI. It's at 47.68. However, Brent is still hovering at that 50 mark. It's at 50.03. Oil is taking a beating. But remember, folks, this is an opportunity to buy oil if you're into the oil move. Traders, have a great trading day. We'll catch you tomorrow. And always remember to trade smart and not hard. Take care, my friends. See you now.